Today we're installing the MBRP exhaust on 2015 WRX. It's not that status, it's just a WRX. So the first step, jack up your car. What we did is we just jacked under here and have our jack stands placed between the two notches. That works well for us. Before you do anything, you're going to want to spray all the bolts you're going to be touching with penetrating oil. There's not that a whole lot. There's going to be some right under the mufflers, and there's also going to be some right at the catalytic converter, because this is a cat black, so it's going to start there and come all the way back. Alright, so here we are removing those bolts from the muffler, and we've come to the conclusion they're completely rusted and rounded. There's no way getting any of them off, other than that one we did get off. So we're just going to chop it off. Here's a sawzall, and we're going to cut these off. So when taking apart the two bolts that hold the exhaust to the piece that has the catalytic converter, we ran into the problem with those bolts being absolute pieces of shit, so they both broke. So instead we're just going to replace them with some stainless steel bolts we have that are about the same size. We're going to use a washer to make sure it fits. It's going to look like this. Now we can reuse the spring, but this is just a new bolt. Stainless steel even, so we don't have to worry about it turning into complete garbage right away with the rust. So now this is the new exhaust segment. It's going to go on where we took that one off. Just make sure you can read the logo. So it's going to stick on there just like this. It should start by going down a little bit. Alright, so these new fancy bolts we picked out were too big for the holes that were on this original piece on the car here. So all we had to do was we drilled them out, and now they fit. So we made it work. Oh my... What are you doing?
Recording.
This is on now. This is the next thing. I think they call it a Y pipe because it's shaped like a Y. That's what I'm calling it if they don't. Fuck them. There's an exhaust hanger on it. It's over here somewhere. And it goes in here. We didn't clamp these tight yet. Now we're putting on the ones that go to the mufflers onto the ends of the Y. Well, Quinn's doing all the work. I'm just gonna... Oh, yeah.
As you can see, we're done.
Done with your shit.
What's going on in here?
Well, you can just do it loosely for now. But you will probably... Get a 16 socket, Zach.
You see that world?
Put it underneath the car.
MBRP. Exhaust. Any
Alright.
words of the wise?
So here's the clamp.
That.
I'm going to tighten them on. Can I do another flashlight on it, please?
What's happening? Is it done?
This one's fucked up. Is it wiggly? Yeah. Okay, never mind. You
This one was wiggly until last second, too.
You cover it. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to close the gap.
Man. What?
You had a 17
Yeah.
in your hand?
Deep, small.
Oh.
17.
17.
You are off the hook for NWC.
Because they're down here. You gotta find them.
See that right there, everyone? Just so you know, that's 17 mem. Mega.
Give it to me. Thank you.
So, well, they're doing stuff.
Alright.
What's going on over here?
Maybe we just need to really tighten it, Daddy.
On
Really
this
kind of
side?
squish.
We're gonna run out of threads.
Oh, fuck.
You know? No, we're not. Yeah, we can just.
Oh, we can go pretty good. Let's start it first. Zach,
Yeah.
Let her rip.
start this motherfucker up right now. Make sure she's in park.
Yeah, we will die. I would die.
Motherfucker. Alright, grab it. Holy shit, in my hand. You're looking good. I'm feeling no gases.
I'm feeling leaking right there.
Tighten that up a little more, just make sure. Leave it how she is.
Around the gasket?
Yeah.
Installation.
See, that's interesting.
And they both. Is it the same distance? About? This one seems a little further out.
That one is a little further out, so we can probably.
Alright. We're done.